Hey, what's up guys? I just want to make a quick video on how to ride a scooter for beginners. So just jumping right into it, the first thing I want to do is I want to take off this lock brake I have here. So do that real quick. And then the next thing we want to do is unlock the actual bike. So take this off, just extra security measure. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get one of these. They have like a little buzzer sound, so if someone moves the bike it rings, which is a great thing to have. And then on the actual scooter we have to undo the brake. So we just get the key, stick it in the ignition, give it a twist all the way forward, and now the bike is free to move. So when I first got a scooter, the thing that almost kind of was a little intimidating was how to put the brake down. I'm used to a motorcycle with the side stand. With this one, it's got the center stand. All you want to do to get it rolling, hands on both grips, rock it forward. Alright, now we're free to move around. And then to engage the brake, to park it, we want to keep a hand on the grips, especially the left one here. Step through, grab the passenger grip, and then this little foot pedal, we just step on it with all our weight, and then we're back. Alright, I'll show you one more time real quick. All you gotta do is grab the handlebars, rock it forward, and then we're moving. And then to park it, keep our hand on the left grip here, step through, grab the passenger grip here, step on, body weight into it, and then we're locked. Alright, as far as the controls on the scooter, I'll show you real quick here. On the Liberty, this is a Piaggio Liberty 150S with ABS. It's real sweet, this thing. It's got 150 cc's. We've got regular lights, high beams. We've got left turn signal, right turn signal. To cancel, you have to press in. They're not self-canceling. All right. We've got the horn on the left here. On the dash, you'll see the ABS is blinking, which means that front ABS is working. We got fuel, miles, time, and then on the right side here we have the kill engine switches on the left and turnover on the right. So if we want the engine to start, we're gonna have to keep it to the right, and then you want to engage the front brake here on the left handle, and then you press the power button. Okay, so we don't have to worry about a clutch, anything like that. We've got the left handle here is the front brake, and the right is the rear brake. 90% of the time we're going to be using this left front brake. Alright, but now that we're on this bike, last thing you want to do is make sure we adjust our mirrors. Want to make sure we're seeing what we want to see. We want to see behind us. I like to make it so I can see the left side of my arm and the right side of my arm, so I have a good reference. But yeah, let's get rocking and rolling, alright?